Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, student. Today our next topic is kite. Student, we have already discussed about properties of parallelograms, properties of rectangles, properties of square, properties of rhombus, and today we will discuss about properties of kite. Properties of a kite. Students, in kite is such as
The screen is not visible.
okay, student, wait.
Yes, the screen is not on.
Now, students, screen is shared.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Now A, B, C, and D. Student, these are your adjacent sides. Adjacent side in kite are equal. In kite, first, in kite there are four sides. In kite, it has four sides. It has four sides. Students, adjacent side are of equal length. Adjacent side are of equal length. Adjacent sides are of equal length. Adjacent side are of equal length. Equal length. Now, student, third one is opposite sides are unequal. Opposite sides are unequal. Unequal. Students, this is your kite. Students, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Student, this is your kite.
Yes, sir.
These are your adjacent sides.
Yes, sir.
These are your adjacent side. This will be equals. These are your adjacent side. Adjacent side will be equal. And these are opposite side. Opposite side will be equal. ये opposite side है. Unequal होती है. Unequal. Student, any doubt, any problems?
Sir. No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, students.
No, sir.
Students, today we will start exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3. Student, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
4.1 का सर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मेरे को समझा रही है.
Yes, friends.
Plus 4.1 का सर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
4.1 तो मैंने दबाई भी नहीं अभी. 4.1 4.1 है.
Yes, sir.
When I will start, I will teach you. When I will start this chapter, I will tell you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, students. Right? When after 2 days I will start this exercise 4.1. Then I will tell you. Now today we will discuss exercise 3.4.
Okay.
3.4. Student, please switch on your camera. Please switch on your camera.
सर my camera is open. सर जरा दोबारा पढ़ के थोड़ा एक अंशु जरा थोड़ा सा
Yes, students. Yes. What happens? स्टूडेंट्स, जब मैं कहता हूँ आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, कोई डाउट तो बोला करो ना उसमें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एक्सरसाइज 4.3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. स्टूडेंट्स.
सर 3.3
ओके स्टूडेंट, 3.3. 3.3. Okay, students, 3.3.
Excuse me, sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, have we completed the whole 3.3 exercise?
That is 3.4.
No, sir. Have we completed 3.3?
Have you completed?
We have completed in 3.2. We are starting today 3.3.
Now we have to start exercise 3.3. Now we have to start exercise 3.3. Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, students. Given a parallelograms A, B, C, D, complete each statement along with the definition or property used. Students, this is your parallelograms. This is your parallelograms A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. And these are titles. Now students, A, B, C, D and this is your O. AD is equal to AD is equal to, please tell me. AD is equal to in parallelogram ABC. Why? Why?
Opposite
sides of a parallelograms are equal. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now student, angle DCB. Angle DCB, it is your angle DCB. Angle DCB is equal to, please tell me, angle DCB is equal to
Angle DAB.
खुशी कुमारी.
Angle DAB.
Angle DCB is equal to angle DAB. Opposite angle of parallelograms are equal. Angle DAB. Please note down it. Opposite angles of a parallelograms are equal. Opposite angle of a parallelograms are equal. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
OC is equal to
OA.
why?
Okay.
OC is equal to OA. Why?
How to bisect each other.
Because they bisect each other.
Yes. OC is equal to OA. Diagonals of a parallelograms. Diagonals of a parallelograms bisect each other. Bisect each other. Diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other. Bisect each other. Measure of angle DAB plus measure of angle CDA. Why? बताइए. Please tell me. Measure of angle DAB plus measure of angle CDA. Students, listen to me. Measure of angle DAB, that is your angle DAB, and this is your angle CDA. Student, these are your parallel lines. These are your parallel lines, and this is your transversal. This is your transversal. Student, what is the sum of two angle on the same side of a transversal? Please tell me.
180 degree.
180 degree. Yes, students.
Degree.
Sum of reason लिखिए यहाँ पे. Sum of interior angles on the same side of a transversal is of 180 degree. 180 degree. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Do it fast. Do it fast.
Sir, done.
Done?
Sir, done.
Okay, students. Now, student, question number 2, first part. Okay. Question number 2, first
Sir,
part.
134.
1, 3, 4. Okay. Now, student, ABCD is a parallelograms. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD. ABCD is a parallelograms. X, Y, Z and 100. X, Y, Z and 100. Students, now we have to find out the value of X, Y and Z. Student, listen to me. First of all, write ABCD is a parallelograms. Given ABCD is a parallelograms. Okay, students. Now Y is equal to 100 degree. Y, please tell me. खुशी यादव.
Balkrishna, open your camera. Balkrishna, open your camera.
Balkrishan.
Open your camera. Naveen, open your camera.
Mahima, open your camera. Dipanshu, open your camera. Alok Yadav, open your camera. Kirti Yadav, open your camera.
Please switch on your camera. Students, please switch on your camera.
Nobody will turn off the camera.
Now student, y is equal to 100 degree. Y opposite angles
are same.
opposite angles of a parallelograms opposite angles of a parallelograms are equal. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now students, we have to find out the value of x. Students, listen to me. Student, this line is parallel to this line. And this is your transversal. This is your transversal. Student, sum of interior angle on the same side of a transversal is supplementary. Sum of x and y will be 180 degree. Will be 180 degree. And as you know that y is equal to 100 degree. Y is equal to 100 degree. Now student, write such as AD parallel to BC. AD parallel to BC. AD parallel to BC, and BC is a transversal. And BC is a transversal. AD parallel to BC and BC is a transversal. So x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Why? Sum of co-interior angles. Sum of interior angles. Interior angles on the same side. Sum of interior angles on the same side of a transversal is of 180 degree. Students, now student, you have already find out the value of angle y. Angle y is equal to 100 degree. You have already find out. Now x plus 100 is equal to 180. Now x is equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to 80. Now student, your x, you have find out x is 80 degree. 80 degree. Ansika Singh, am I audible to you? Bal Krishna, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
What is the value of angle Z? Please tell me. What is the value of angle Z? What is the value of angle Z?
Sir, please show the figure.
Yes.
It is 80 degree.
Why?
Why it is opposite angle?
Yes. Z is equal
Opposite
to
angles are equal.
Z is equal to x. X is 80 degree. written. Opposite angles of parallelograms are equal. Opposite angles of a parallelograms are equal. Opposite angle of a parallelograms are equal. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Therefore, student,
No, sir.
your
Yes, sir.
x, y, z. X is 80 degree.
Yes,
Y
sir.
is, yes friends, 100 degree. Z is your 80 degree.
सर एक रोमबस का भी एंगल सेम होता है ना अपोजिट एंगल
नहीं, बाइसेक्ट करते हैं। पैरेललोग्राम में अपोजिट एंगल बाइसेक्ट करते हैं। अपोजिट एंगल इक्वल नहीं होते रोम्बस में। Student, do it fast. Yes.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right?
समझ में नहीं आ रहा है
3 point है। 3 point है। Yes, friends.
3.2 का फोर्थ क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ में आ रहा
3.2 का फोर्थ है। Okay, student. First we will discuss question number. Student, listen to me. First we will discuss question number 2, exercise 3.3. After that we will discuss question number 4 from exercise 3.2. First we will discuss. Now, student, third part of question number 2. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Have you done or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, student, question number 2, third part. Yes, second part in homework. Question number 2, third part. Students, this is your parallelograms. This is your parallelograms. This is your parallelograms and these are diagonals. Now, students, this is your y, this is your x, this is your 30 degree. And this is your z. Student, it is your 30 degree. Okay, student, and this is your right angle. Now, student, what is x? Please tell me. ABC is a parallelogram. What will be x?
Sir, x will be equal to 90 degree.
Sir, x is equal to 90 degree.
Y.
Sir, x is equal to 90 degree.
Y.
Sir, x is equal to
Because it is a right angle.
Vertical opposite angles. Student, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles.
What is vertically opposite angle?
Vertically opposite angles. Student, all the students have received your answer sheet 8A, 8B, 8C. Have you received?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All the students,
Yes, sir.
have you received your answer sheet?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students.
Yes.
Now, students, x is your 90 degree. Now, y plus x plus 30 degree. It is your parallelogram A, B, C, and D. It is O. Now, student, in triangle AOD, y plus x plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Y angle,
The angle of property of a triangle.
oh very good, angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. Now, student, what is x? 90 degree.
90 degree.
Sir, angle
Y plus 90 plus 30,
degree.
120 degree, and you have to find out the value of y.
Y equal to 60 degree.
180 minus 120 degree. Y is equal to 60 degree.
60 degree. So y equal to 60 degree.
60 degree. Y is equal to 60 degree. Now, student, AB parallel to BC, AD parallel to BC, and AC is a transversal. AD parallel to BC, and AC is a transversal. Now, student, this line is parallel to this line. Yes, students. Yes. This line is parallel to this line is parallel to this, and this is your transversal. Now, students, this is your Z.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes, students. Yes.
So where you have the answer sheet?
Answer sheet. Yes.
Where you have set the answer sheet?
In group. In group.
The individual one or the
In group. Students, listen to me. AD is parallel to BC and AC is a transversal. AD is parallel to BC and AC is a transversal. Therefore, Z is equal to Y. Alternate interior angles. Z क्या है? Z. ये एंगल क्या है? इसके इक्वल होगा यहाँ पे. Z is equal to Y. Y. Alternate interior angles. Now Z is equal to क्या है? Y. What is Y? 60 degree. Y, student, alternate
Interior
angles. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Do it fast. Do it fast.
Certain.
Do it fast.
Sir, please roll up.
Take a screenshot.
Sir, it's done.
Done?
Yes, sir. It's done.
Now students, fourth part, question number 2, fourth part. Student, this is your parallelograms A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is parallelograms. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. That is 80 degree. This is your X. This is your Y. This is your Z. X, Y, Z. Now student, A, B, C, D is parallelograms. Y is equal to 80 degree. A, B, C, D is a parallelograms. Is a parallelograms. Therefore, y is equal to
80 degree.
y
Because opposite sides are equal in parallelogram.
y is equal to 80 degree. Note down it. Opposite angles of a parallelograms is equal. Opposite angle of a parallelogram is equal.
So done.
Okay students. Okay students. Students, now AD is parallel to BC and BC is a transversal. Now student, this is parallel to this and this is your transversal. AD is parallel to BC and DC is a transversal. So Z is equal to Y. It is your 100 degree. It is your 80 degree.
Student.
Now student, AD is parallel to BC and DC is a transversal. AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC and DC is a transversal. AD is parallel to BC and BC is a transversal. Students, it is the formation of Z. Check it. The formation of Z here. The formation of Z. If there is formation of Z, what angle has been formed? What type of angle is formed?
Sir, alternate.
Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Student, it is your Y is equal to 80 degree. Then what will be the angle Z? Please tell me. Y. लीनियर पेयर नहीं है बेटा, जेड फॉर्मेशन देखो यहाँ पे अल्टरनेटिव एंगल्स. Listen. Students, this line is parallel to this line and this is your transversal. This is your transversal. This angle will be equal to this angle. Why? Then that is your 50 and it will be also equal to 50. Student, this is your parallel lines. Formation of Z. Formation of Z. जब Z की फॉर्मेशन होती है तो वहां पे क्या होता है, अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स होते हैं, ठीक है ना। और लाइन अगर पैरेलल है तो ये एंगल क्या है, इक्वल हो जाएंगे. These angle will be equals.
Is it closed?
Now students, AD parallel to BC and BC is a transversal and BC is a transversal. Transversal.
Khushi Yadav, kindly mute your mic.
Friends, AD is parallel to BC and BC is a transversal and BC is a transversal. BC is a transversal. Therefore, Z is equal to Y. Therefore, angle Z is equal to Y. Z is equal to Y. Y. Z is equal to Y. It will be equal